Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade your Revolut plan. First you have to open your settings menu, and in your settings at the top you will see the upgrade to smarter lifestyle. When you tap on it, it will open up these three choices. So they have three premium subscriptions. The first and the best one, the most expensive one, is the metal subscription, which is here for me it shows it in Romanian lei, but it is like around $12. And let's see what benefits does it have. Unlimited FX at excellent exchange rates, boosted no fee ATM withdrawals up to 3,000 per month, purchase protection, metal cashback, Revolut Junior, boosted no fee ATM withdrawals, free card delivery, priority support, purchase protection, refund protection, ticket cancellation, discounted device insurance, cryptocurrencies, commodities, unlimited FX, overseas medical insurance, winter sports cover, car hire excess, personal liability, smart delay, and airport lounge via launch key. So it offers quite a lot of benefits if you purchase this subscription, and you will also receive a metal debit card, which is pretty cool. So let's see the second one. This is around $8 a month, and it offers a little bit less, but still quite a lot of benefits. You won't receive a metal card with this subscription, but you will receive a different kind of card than the standard one. Let's see which benefits you won't receive with this subscription. You won't receive a car hire excess and the personal liability. And I think the rest is almost the same. Yeah, and another difference is that your ATM withdrawal is only 1,600, not 3,000. So there are a few differences. And the cheapest one is the Plus, Revolut Plus version, which is around $3-4. And it has a lot less benefits, but it still offers a few plus benefits in comparison to the general default Revolut account. Interbank exchange rates are lower, commodities, ticket cancellation, can't make it to your event, get refunded. The ticket price up to 1,000 euros per year, which is, yeah, that's something. And yeah, there are a few benefits for this plan as well. So these are all the upgrade plans for Revolut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.